super excited and really thankful to be back at the Formula One this year in Melbourne. Very appreciative of the Formula One team again giving us the opportunity to showcase our clean energy technology. Last year was the first time we'd run 2 of the units at any event in Australia, or any project for that matter. So this year, bigger and better. We've got 4 units here this year, which is the largest number of GEH2s that have actually ever been displaced or used on a project or event globally.
So we're standing on the Innovation Hub. This is 2 ovals. It's actually co-sponsored by Toyota Australia and our retail partner, Blue Diamond Machinery. We're powering the site today with 4 GEH2s. The GEH2 is perfect for events. There's no NOx, there's no fumes, there's no noise, there's no vibration. You know, at the Formula One this year, we're looking at probably 500,000 people across 4 days.
So it's a great opportunity for us to talk to customers or just people interested in technology generally. This year as well, we've taken it a further step by using our battery systems as well. So we've got our POWR2 45 kVA batteries. There's 4 of those units around the site. So they're providing additional storage for the GEH2 generator to preserve some hydrogen through the night. And we've got the much larger battery systems from our partners AMPD, which is helping to manage the peak loads.
So we've been powered all these 4 days through the hydrogen generator that's kind of behind me, and it's coming from a university. It's a pretty cool technology. I mean, the benefits, there's no sound, there's no heat. People were wondering what it was, and the fact that it's powering this whole area and you can basically stand next to it and not know it's a generator, it's pretty cool.
Hi, my name is Casey Thomas and I'm the founder of Dark Shadow Studios, and I'm building a competitive esports game called Drone Legion. We are actually being powered by hydrogen energy, which has 100% zero emission technology. We haven't had any hiccups throughout the entire event. The laptops have run great, there's been no lag, there's been no issues with any power outages or anything like that. It's just been constant, really reliable. It's been amazing.
So a really exciting opportunity for us to be able to demonstrate the way that these technologies can work in together, and providing a case study to what we hope will provide a framework to do these types of events in the future, completely zero emission.